Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. I want to talk a little bit about the Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner today. This is from their brand new line. So they do have whole blends out, but these are the brand new products. So they come in pump form, both of them, and they are specifically the Honey and Beeswax Remedy. The thing that I really like about these bottles, first of all, you'll see at the very top here, it says that the bottle is made of 100% recycled plastic. Okay, right at the top in the green there. Another great benefit to these is they're gluten-free, paraben-free, and they don't have sulfates. Now, the main purpose of this exact line is to repair and protect damaged hair. So for those of you that have blonde like me, or if you have just in general maybe a lot of heat styling or dry ends, this is a really good brand to use. Some other key ingredients in here is the jojoba seed oil, the sunflower seed oil, argan oil. Those are really good oils to be putting through your hair. I've used this duo for about 2 weeks now, and I have noticed a big difference. When I use the shampoo, my hair doesn't dry out. I find a lot of the times if you're using drugstore brand shampoos, your hair, it's dry after you shampoo it, and sometimes the conditioner as well. Whereas these two, I don't know, they just really smooth out my hair and moisturize them. My hair in this video looks a little bit frizzy because I was out running around. I had my hair in a bun, but I mean, after I use this product, I'll let you know that my hair is definitely smoother, softer, really great duo to use. I don't know about using just one of them. I would definitely do it as a package deal type thing. So I use the shampoo and conditioner in conjunction with each other, okay? The smell is really nice. It's not overpowering, but it definitely is a really nice sweet smell. I really like the shampoo because it lathers well, and a little bit goes a long way with this. With the conditioner, I don't use this on my scalp. If you read the back, it actually says to do the tips and the lengths only. So that's what I've been doing, and it smooths through your hair really nice. I use a comb in the shower, and I just comb the conditioner, it goes right through, gets out any knots. So all in all, I would definitely rate these probably an 8.5, maybe 9 out of 10. Definitely try these out. I don't know if they're quite in stores yet, but they are absolutely a great duo to have if you have dry hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Stay tuned, I'll be making more beauty videos very soon.